we will delve deeper into the 7 largest offshore oil platforms in the world. Berkut Oil Rig. The Berkut Oil Rig is the world's largest oil platform located off the coast of the Russian Pacific, specifically in the Sea of Okhotsk, north of Japan. This oil platform is part of the Sakhalin-1 development and was constructed by several oil and gas companies, including ExxonMobil and Rosneft, among others. The construction of the Berkut oil rig itself cost approximately $12 billion. The Berkut oil platform has dimensions of 105 meters in length, 60 meters in width, and a base height of 144 meters. It weighs up to 200,000 tons and is considered the heaviest structure ever floated on the sea surface. The platform is built on a gravity-based structure, GBS, anchored on the seabed at a depth of 35 meters. Constructing the GBS for Berkut required 52,000 cubic meters of concrete and 27,000 reinforcing steel bars. The platform also features a top drive torque of 142 kilonewtons per meter and a lifting capacity of 1,150 tons. These attributes make the Berkut Oil Rig the most powerful offshore oil drilling center in the world. Due to its proximity to the Arctic region, the Berkut Oil Rig is designed to withstand subarctic conditions, with temperatures as low as -47 Fahrenheit and ice pressure exceeding 6 feet. Additionally, the platform can withstand waves as high as 16 to 20 meters and strong winds with speeds of up to 122 kilometers per hour. An important feature of the Berkut Oil Rig is its gravity-based structure, which provides earthquake resistance and can withstand forces up to magnitude 9. With its strength, the Berkut Oil Rig can extract up to 4.5 million tons of crude oil annually. Stones Platform. Stones is an offshore oil refinery operated by Shell, one of the world's leading oil and gas companies. This offshore oil platform is located in the Gulf of Mexico, approximately 322 kilometers from New Orleans, Louisiana, United States. The Stones project operates at the deepest point in the ocean, reaching depths of 2,900 meters or 9,500 feet below the sea surface. Stones utilizes a floating production, storage, and offloading (FPSO) facility called Turritella. Turritella is a converted Suezmax tanker that has been moored in place using BTM buoyant turret mooring technology. Turritella first sailed from a shipyard in Singapore in October 2015 and arrived in the Gulf of Mexico in January 2016. However, the oil platform officially began operations in September 2016. The FPSO is connected to subsea infrastructure, which pumps oil and gas from 8 production wells. The turret on this oil platform is a rotating buoyant sphere, allowing the vessel to rotate with the wind direction. It can also fully disconnect from the production wells in the event of storms or hurricanes, enabling the vessel to move to safer waters. Stones also features a steel lazy wave riser system that connects the subsea system to the BTM. This system consists of flexible pipes with additional buoyancy, creating a bend between the seabed and the surface to absorb FPSO movements. This enhances production performance in extreme depths. At its peak, the Stones project can produce approximately 50,000 barrels per day. Perdido Oil Platform. In addition to Stones, the Perdido oil platform is also located in the Gulf of Mexico and is recognized as the largest and deepest offshore oil platform in the world. This floating oil platform stands at a height of approximately 1,800 feet and is operated by Shell, Chevron, and BP. The Perdido oil platform has a total depth of 2,450 meters and is only 267 meters from the surface of the water. The Perdido oil platform was built in Pori, Finland, by a project management company called Technip. In 2008, the platform was transported over 13,200 kilometers to Texas over a period of 5 months. This floating platform uses a large diameter vertical spar design with an outer cylinder measuring 36 meters in diameter to ensure buoyancy, including hydrocarbon storage tanks. Its height reaches 169 meters and it has a weight of 20,000 tons. Perdido has 3 decks or topsides, housing oil and gas processing facilities, a drilling rig with a capacity of 100,000 barrels per day, and accommodations for workers. Additionally, the platform is equipped with advanced technology to handle external pressures, low temperatures, and uneven seabed conditions. Each day, Perdido produces oil from 35 subsea wells, 22 of which are under the spar, and 13 wells located 8 miles west of the platform. Hibernia Oil Platform. The Hibernia Oil Platform is located in the Jeanne d'Arc Basin, approximately 315 kilometers east of Newfoundland, Canada. This offshore oil platform is a gravity-based structure that can withstand the world's first iceberg collision. Hibernia has a depth of 80 meters below the sea, a height of up to 1,100 feet, and a weight of up to 450,000 tons. The platform can withstand icebergs weighing up to 6 million tons to ensure smooth oil drilling operations. Hibernia Oil Platform is operated by Chevron, ExxonMobil, and Suncor Energy. The construction of the Hibernia Oil Platform took 15 years and cost over $5 billion. The platform is significantly designed to produce 220,000 barrels of oil per day with the assistance of various drilling fluids. To cope with extreme Arctic conditions, the platform was built with a concrete caisson measuring 105.5 meters in length and reinforced with steel bars and wires. This structure is designed to withstand collisions with 1 million ton icebergs. The platform has crude oil storage tanks with a capacity of 1.3 million barrels and drilling wells, each of which is 3,700 meters deep below the sea surface. So far, Hibernia has produced more than 1 billion barrels of oil, with expectations of continued production for 15 to 20 years. Olympus Oil Rig. The Olympus Oil Rig, also known as Mars B, is located in the Gulf of Mexico, 210 kilometers south of New Orleans. Olympus stands at a height of 845 meters and has a weight of 132,227 tons. The platform has a combined deck area of approximately 342,000 square feet, larger than the NFL Superdome. Olympus is operated by 2 companies, Shell and BP. Despite its location in the Gulf of Mexico, this oil platform was built in South Korea in November 2012. It was only in June 2013 that the Olympus oil rig was transported to the Gulf of Mexico using the MV Blue Marlin ship. Olympus Oil Rig officially began operations in January 2014. The Olympus Oil Platform is the 7th offshore floating platform owned by Shell and utilizes seabed seismic technology. The rig is equipped with 24 drilling wells and features a helipad. To date, the Olympus platform has produced approximately 700 million barrels of oil, equivalent to about 100,000 barrels per day. Petroneus. Another of the largest offshore oil platforms located in the Gulf of Mexico is Petroneus. The Petroneus oil platform is situated 210 kilometers southeast of New Orleans, United States. This massive project was initially constructed in 1997 and cost over $1 billion. After completion, the Petroneus platform officially began operations in 2000. The central part of the Petroneus oil platform reaches a depth of 535 meters below the sea, with the remainder standing only 75 meters above the water. Petroneus weighs up to 43,000 tons and has a platform deck measuring 64 by 43 by 18.3 meters. Operated by Chevron, this rig has 21 drilling wells capable of producing around 3,000 cubic meters of oil and 2 million cubic meters of natural gas per day. The platform also includes support facilities such as equipment rooms, operation rooms, and worker accommodations. Overall, the design of the Petroneus oil platform allows it to adapt and remain flexible in response to wind, currents, and waves. Baldpate. Lastly, there is the Baldpate oil platform located in Garden Banks Block, GB 260, approximately 120 miles off the coast of Louisiana, United States. This platform is operated by Hess Corporation and was designed by Hudson Engineering in Houston, Texas. The platform stands at a water depth of around 1,650 feet and is the world's first freestanding offshore tower. The flare boom at the tip of the pier extends approximately 1,902 feet above the seabed. Before it was operated by its current company, the Baldpate oil well was first discovered by the semi-submersible Ocean Rover ship at the end of 1991. The platform has 7 drilling wells estimated to produce over 50,000 barrels and 150,000 million cubic feet of standard gas per day. Production from the platform peaked in the first half of 1999, approaching the capacity of the oil and gas facility. Baldpate's tower is configured with axial tubes, consisting of 2 in each of the 4 tower legs. The tower is designed to be more flexible than other conventional platforms and is equipped with a sway response system with a 30-second cycle in response to storm waves. The tower structure of Baldpate was constructed in several sections by McDermott Engineering in Houston, Texas. The bottom section has a height of 351 feet with a base size of 140 feet by 140 feet and tapers at the top with dimensions of 90 feet by 90 feet. Additionally, Baldpate's top sides consist of a 3-level deck structure weighing 2,400 tons without equipment. The top sides contain process and utility equipment as well as accommodations for 28 operational personnel. The unique design and construction of the Baldpate platform make it a crucial part of the global oil production landscape. Its ongoing operation is expected to continue contributing to the overall global oil supply.